So I intentionally waited for night so that I can make this video so that you guys can actually hear me out. So I actually shared some indicators. I called them Rabiotfxindicator the other days, and some people actually entered my DM on how to install, in which I shared on how to install. You understand? So some people actually messaged me and said, "How does it work?" You understand? Before these are actually price action indicators, and before they can actually work, you need to understand the market first. You understand? So to me, I think I'll actually give that as a gift. But when different comments started coming up, I don't know how to use that. Oh wow! Typically, actually, I found some people that actually know how to use it. In which they, even when I actually did my analysis myself with that indicator, they actually had to correct me like, your indicator says you are wrong, and they showed me. And yes, because I remember the V75 signal, it was actually manipulated, but they said my the indicator that I shared showed double bottom or stuff like that. Fine. I know the if you are listening to this, if you're watching this video and you are the one that said that, you will know what I'm trying to say. Okay, so the thing is, actually, these are the indicators that I actually shared. Okay, let me just say, okay, these are actually the ones they actually use for here now. You understand? The Oxy arrow, Oxy candlestick, Oxy strong buy, Oxy support, Oxy wave, and these ones are just this KT auto trend, just one. I installed it twice. You understand? So that's that about that. So the thing is, okay, let me first go to, okay, yeah, fine, let me make use of this because I'm not actually connected. You understand? My phone is actually down, and I don't want to put on my gen now because of fuel scarcity. Like, it's hard to see fuel like here in Nigeria now, and it's actually late. So the thing is, the Oxy arrow just shows all these things. They do their own on their own. You understand? All you just have to do is apply your own wisdom and understanding to the market. You understand? And apply it to what this one is actually giving you. This KT auto trend line, this is how it works. You see, it's actually draw a trend line automatically for me. So I actually makes of this trend line as a breakout. When there's a breakout around this trend line, that means it's actually going boom, 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 and that's where you're actually going to use your support and demand. You can use this Oxy resistance and supply. You understand? This support, Oxy support and resistance. Yeah, these are the supports. These are the demand and supply. The demand and supply. So with this, I think if you don't have normal understanding of the price action, how the market works, normal, it's actually be hard for you to get this. Near someone that is based on strategy, it's actually be hard for you to get this thing. Understand? Okay, for this the trend line. When there's a breakout in this trend line, you know that's the continuation in an opposite direction. And what else again? The OZ candlesticks. You understand? All these reversal candlesticks. It will notify you when it sees a reversal candlesticks. You understand? It will notify when you see a reversal candlestick. So sorry guys, now actually paused the video. So where were we? We actually, I was talking about the candlestick. Yeah, the candlestick, this thing is actually a notification. You know, we said we have reversal candlesticks, and once this thing pops up in reversal candlesticks, you understand, everybody believes, yeah, that is actually telling us that there's indecision in the market, and hence that kind of zone will serve as a turning point in change of the direction of the price of the market. It's fine. You understand? But all these things, you have to, there are some different confirmations, like everything has to, the conventions, everything has to tally before you can actually decide. Let me look for one that, sorry, coming, I'm looking for one where, because my data is not actually, you know, coming, okay, can you see this? For example, is showing bearish engulfing around the what, around the resistance zone, and that is the supply zone. So definitely, you know, it has to sell. So this Oxy wave, it actually works like the support and resistance strip. You know, Bollinger Band, you understand, but it's actually better than Bollinger Band. You understand? You see, it's around the resistance one, around the Oxy wave, and this middle one is actually used to take profit. You understand? Just take your profits there. Like I call it wait or TP. Wait or take profit. Wait or take profit. That's what I call it. So you can actually make use of, but all these things you have to understand the movement of the market before you can actually make use of these two as an, don't worry, I'll actually organize a class. If you're gonna organize the class, you guys can actually make use of this indicator very well. But for now, I think if you don't understand the movement of the market, all what you'll be seeing once you pull all this in your chart is just strategies, and strategies changes in the market. So that's that about that. So this that for the candlestick indicates when it sees a reversal candlesticks. Then the strong buy, strong sell, all these dots, you understand? Okay, for instance, now can you see this blue line is the KT auto trend line? You understand? So everything is styling. So why are you doubting? These indicators are actually give worth more than like $1,500 to $1,000. But actually just gave it out because it was sponsored by Infinix Broker, and you guys have not even registered with the broker, and they are even still the one that want to sponsor the academy. I want the courses, the forest course. I want to take you guys for free. Though it will actually be of two sections. You understand? So the first one will be free. The batch will be free. Then the batch B, the advanced, will be how much? I think contemplating should be $20. Then I will deposit $10 for you guys for free. I'm still thinking for $5, 10 or $5. And the main reason why the $10 I'm deposit $5 and $10 is just for you to what, to trade, because emotional trading will actually part of the training. Just for you guys to lose the $10. That's why I'll actually deposit $10 for you guys. It's actually going to be part of the training, emotional trading. So the app strength, you don't really need that. The harmonic pattern finder. Let us talk about that. The reversal is actually the same thing as the candlesticks for here. The plan resistance. So once you have this oxy is actually enough for everything you need. The oxy FX, just drag it here. Wow. Once you drag it, you click OK, and it's be showing. It's all good. So that's how to use that, and that's that with that. So what else? Let's look at another chart. This is B13. Okay, well, these are my trend lines myself. So it went for a buy. Pa. What is that about that? Can you see? It's showing continuation of a sell here, and the arrow is indicating sell. And again, it actually showed a bear cross. The bear cross is the OXDFS candlestick alert, and it actually notify you once there's a candlestick like a what should I say? A reversal candlestick. It will actually notify you. That's the sweetest thing about it. Again, what was that? But that's that about that, guys.